Good day. We're here aboard a Westport 125 magnificent yacht, and we're with the captain aboard and about to take it out on a sea trial. We'll dial in the settings and make sure that the captain is comfortable with the operation of the Dockmate wireless remote control system. That's one of the great features of the Dockmate product, is that with dock control, you can make an infinite number of adjustments to the controls to suit the boat and the conditions. Okay, we've got Captain Mike up there at the helm in the upper deck. And away she goes. They're testing out the throttle as well as the thruster to dial in the settings to make sure that, again, they work perfect for the captain. Okay, it looks like Captain Mike is now using the Dockmate to control the boat. Okay, well, Captain Mike is now in control of the boat, and he's there on the stern, moving around the thrusters with the joystick, as well as with the individual buttons for the bow thruster. He's also controlling the engines. Bring the boat right up to the dock here, just to get the feel for it.